guys, welcome to Preach with Prakriti again, story time. Last time I explained my vision board and I said I'll make a new vision board and show it to you guys. But I couldn't because I still haven't figured out what I want to do because nothing has been in place. But in that process, while reminiscing everything, I kind of went through my previous certificates and the awards I won, and apparently I have certificate from the nursery class, and these are my first ever certificates and awards in nursery class, and these are three. So and here is the story, okay? I had a different name when I was in nursery class. Apparently, my name was changed a little after, so the certificates are in the name of, if you can see, Purnika Aryal Nursery biscuit eating competition, in which I was third position. And then I got the certificate in musical chair, in which I was first position. I always took my stand and my chair, by the way. What is this? Bowling competition. I don't even know what's a bowling competition. It was 2003, by the way. It's written here and it's from Trizoti school. I don't have my picture. I don't have my name. So, but it's my certificate, guys. Trust me. I started with nursery and I wanted to show you guys what else did I get like certificates in class 8, and it says for second position in poem recitation competition on Bhanu Jayanti. I have this fond memory, guys, like this writing culture started in my family because my baba used to bribe us about, like, after we are done with our Dosai vacation or Tihar vacation, he used to be like, write about what you experienced during that time and I'll give you 2 rupees. And for that 2 rupees, we 3 siblings used to compete and we used to each write the journal or whatever, and whose pace would be longer would get the 2 rupees. Not all of us, by the way. Kids game, securing first position. Guys, I was small, like I was good in games, and I was also given third position and participation for the same. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. This is like Gurukul National High School College, okay guys? This college, it winded up. The board of directors turned out to be frauds. They took all the students' money and it got destroyed. And in that college, a club gave me certificate of participation, actually in personality and career development. Apparently this was 2014. These people went to, I think this person went to jail. Oh yeah, these are my favorite memories, guys. Nepal Scout. In Scout, what happens is every year an adventure trial is conducted. The things you see like bungee jumping, rock climbing, off-sailing. Especially I loved off-sailing, that is opposite of rock climbing. And then I love Superman, which is like zip lining in Superman position. Then rock climbing used to be really cool. And there were other many sports, but these always had some line and we used to wait hours for it, and we used to complete as many tasks as possible. And then after that we used to get the certificate from adventure trial, and I have got one in 2068. Oh yeah, 2069, 67. So that time I was really active and cool, I guess. So yeah. This is also for Scout, but this is for trekking program 2011. 5 days in Chitwan. We camped there. We had a program there. I made lots of international friends, and this was second program conducted by Scouts then. And I was pretty good in Scout. I mean, drawing competition, third, guys. And you know what I made for this? Picture 2 heels, black, yellow, and I think we made yellow and orange, okay, red mixed color, orange color. Then I made the bridge and everything, so I got like third. And then in 2069, it was apparently a big deal to get third position in it. Oh my god, I can't believe I got this. For dancing, guys, I got first prize. Pratham, Prakriti Aryal. This is 2064. I was in grade what? Poem competition again, second position. And first for, I don't know why I got like for dancing, but it must be a group activity. Oh, I got third position for debate. I think that's about it, but I had more from school. I don't know, it's like jumbled up here. And I think I got no award while I was in grade 11 and 12. In Gurukul, the wind it up or crashed college I have there, but in Times International College, none. This one was after my Cap 1 exam or Cap 2 exam. It's 2017. And then I participated, and actually I got award of the outstanding delegate. I didn't know what Model United was. I didn't know what the topic was. I just went there, made like Bangladeshi friends. I talked to them. Few of them are still my really good friends. And yeah, now let's go to the CE one, okay? And so I think this is my first certificate where I participated in 2000. I joined CA in 2018 August, like the articleship, Cap 3 articleship, okay? Only then we can get to participate in programs like this. We have programs even before that for Cap 2, but I didn't know that then that there were programs. But after I went to Cap 3 and was doing articleship, my seniors told me about there are programs in public speaking, and I was always the person who was more into these kind of activities than the actual studying. So of course I jumped in, and first competition I got third prize, I think, but I only have this participation certificate. Second time when I applied, it was nomination for being selected to an international conference in Sri Lanka, and I got selected among few many with a guy, and we went to Sri Lanka for like 5 days, and this is the certificate for it. It was the bestest time. Sri Lanka is beautiful. Then I came back from there. Then there was another allocation competition, because till your articleship you can participate every year, and I was just third before that, right? I hadn't become the winner. So in 2020 I became the winner, and I got this, and along with this we actually got some cash prize. We get invited to the annual dinner, so it's like pretty cool. And then I got first runner up, because after being winner, the next year I applied, I don't know, I think my best friend got the first award, so I was pretty much happy. And also the fact that I have 3 certificates, like third, second, first, so neat. Then after that I got the opportunity to participate in SAFA, that is like South Asian Federation of Accountants thing, and I didn't win any position. And once it was cancelled because of the COVID itself, so I didn't get to go outside. This was conducted through video conference, and I just participated. I think I delivered well looking at the circumstances, because it was Bhai Tika Kudin, and I got Tika everything ready, and I was not equipped with proper equipment for presentation, but I did pretty cool. This was second international CA student conference conducted here, and I was moderator in that program for his panel session. So I got this certificate recognizing that. And that was also one of my best memory, because it was a huge crowd. I think crowd was almost like 1500, 2000 to 3000 people. I don't know how many were there, but it was a huge event. I got to meet so many people. I got to present in front of so many people, and it boosted my confidence so good. That was it for my CA programs and all, I guess. After that, I finished my articleship and moved on. And this one is from a recent, I have other also, but I think it's in PDF format, like the international conference things, but this is like the latest one in 2025 February, which is a year ago apparently. So this was for Sachi, that is seeking authenticity through challenging misinformation or this was done by Australian Aid and Youth Innovation Lab, where I applied for a free competition and they did, 2 days of boot camp with everything free. This is really little because I've seen people having stacks and stacks of certificates and medals all over their wall. But yeah, since I am stuck right now doing nothing or trying to do few things, but like it's not happening for me, and I'm waiting patiently doing everything I can for it, I wanted to go through the things I had once achieved or things I had once did and it gave me some results. I hope you guys have some memories from school like this where your name got changed, because this is precious. My name is Purnika, okay guys? Call me Purnika from tomorrow. Yes, now like, share, subscribe, follow, go to my Instagram and comment and share with your friends, and I don't know, just do the drill, okay? And ring that bell icon. Yeah, why did I do that? But that's what people do. Bye.